Hey friends, if you wish to compare Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the processes. So a lot of users are asking which is a better browser. I'll tell you practically there is no difference in Microsoft Edge Chromium and Google Chrome because they have the exact same base. Everything is the same, almost the settings are the same. A few settings may be different, but I'll tell you where the difference is. Microsoft Edge comes with support from Microsoft, which means that it has Copilot, which is actually a failed product. And if you check for Chrome, Chrome itself does not have support from Google Gemini. You won't find that option here. But yes, Google itself is a search engine which will give you a Gemini overview. So I would say that this Copilot does not give an advantage to Edge. And obviously, the default search engine is Bing in Edge, and the default search engine is Google in Chrome. You can change both of these. You have that option, so that is not a deciding factor either. What is the difference? There is no difference as such. You can access Microsoft products from Edge, you can access Google products from Chrome, but these do not make a difference as such because these days everything is available on the websites itself. And you know what, when you are using Windows operating system, which I'm assuming, like if you were using Mac, it would have been a little different story, not very different. But if you're using Windows, then you already have a lot of these software products in Windows which you're trying to search through Edge. So that is not required. And as for Chrome, it's just a basic search engine. Okay, so it does not have all of those add-ons, even though they are not required. If you are asking me which is a better browser, I would say both of them are exactly the same. And yes, we have a few paid better options. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.